The iPhone X unlocked a new era of iPhones, and it is the first iPhone to have an all-screen display with no home button. It has been over 2 years since the first release of the iPhone X, and the first time I held the iPhone X, it felt kind of light. Maybe because I'm used to using some heavy Android phones. Let's keep that aside for the meantime. I was wondering how you could take a screenshot on this device, because most of my devices I like taking screenshots of things on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or YouTube self. Since there's no longer home button, I tried using 3 of my fingers to take screenshots, but it couldn't work until I searched on YouTube and saw how to take screenshots on the iPhone X. Then I learned how to take screenshots on the iPhone X. You have to use the power button and the volume up button. iPhone X is full of gestures, from switching apps to going home to everything. Almost everything on the iPhone X is gestures. Also, take note that the iPhone XS is the successor to the iPhone X, and whatever accessory you can get for the iPhone XS can also work on the iPhone X. The battery on the iPhone X doesn't last enough from my usage, but there is something you can do about that, and that is getting a battery case for the iPhone XS to use on your iPhone X, and it will work perfectly well. The iPhone X now supports fast charging, which means that you can use a fast charger to charge the iPhone X from 0% to about 50% in 30 minutes. But note that no quick charger is in the box. Meanwhile, in the box we have the normal ultra slow traditional charger. Now that there is no home button, which means that no fingerprint scanner or in-display fingerprint, the Face ID has replaced that, and it is the most secured so far. Not interesting thing on this device, or what I really don't like about the iPhone X, is that it has a glass back, which means if this phone falls from my hand, that is the end of the back. Because I know anytime I'm using a phone, the phone must surely fall, and I don't like using cases. And there's also no headphone jack, and the notch is going to be too big for some people, and I'm a fan of the notch though, don't blame me, but it is still Twitter for iPhone Android users. I'm still an Android user, but it is still Twitter for iPhone. From my own point of view though, I can say the iPhone XS is still worth buying in 2019. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and one more thing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification, like, comment and share, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace.